Hey, and welcome to a brand new video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. In this video, we're going to be walking you through a brand new plugin that Google has been working on for a little while, and it's called Web Stories. Originally, it was called AMP, and then Google bought AMP, and now it's called Web Stories, and it's a brand new way to be able to share content on your website. It's practically like Facebook and Instagram stories, and you can embed them directly onto your website. So here is the website I have been working on. You go to /stories, okay? It's going to take you to a web page. You click on it, right? You click on the link, and now you have a Facebook/Instagram like story system within your website. There are so many possibilities of this, and you might be going, well, Ross, why do we want to have this type of system in place? One, Google is going to be automatically favoring this tool if you have it on your website, and what that means is if you have this on your website, you will have a higher chance of moving up in the SEO ranking. Two, Google's more likely going to drive more traffic to your website if you have stories integrated. And three, unfortunately, a lot of people, especially if you're talking to my generation, to 20-year-olds, 21-year-olds, 22-year-olds, even younger kids, they have very short attention spans. And having stories embedded onto your website means that you can create 15-second interactive content just like this. Now you might be going, okay Ross, well how do we get it? Well, first you need to jump onto Google, search up Google Web Stories WordPress. I'll leave a link in the description. Click on the first link, click on download beta, and then you go to your WordPress and then you upload it as a plugin. It's a very simple system. So here is a little story I created. It only has about 5 to 6 pages, alright? And it was based off an article that I did recently. So if I show you, I will show you the article. If we go to blog, click on that. You get the point. So I wrote an article called Google My Business $150 Credit Giveaway. And you can also create a simple, short, straight to the point story that is interactive for the user. And it's a really easy tool. And the great thing about this tool is it's going to drive more traffic to your website. And Google's going to favor you more because you have implemented this tool earlier on. So you can add in videos if you want to add short 15-second videos. So let's duplicate this page. I'm going to delete the text. Going to detach from background, delete the photo. We will chuck in the video, just like that. You want to have, this is a 4K video, so you might want to have something a bit smaller. You jump onto preview, okay, to preview the link. And you can filter through the story. And voila, you've got your little video. So you might have animated videos where you go slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and each slide is a small, short, straight to the point video. Now, believe it or not, Google wants to implement this on a wider scale, but you need to keep in mind that this is only a beta version of the plugin. It was last updated on August 20, 2020. It is a great plugin, it is simple and easy to use, and it's a great way to engage with your audience. If you love creating Facebook and Instagram stories, download them and then implement them onto your website. Or maybe you'll create it on your website and then you can share it on your Facebook and Instagram stories. Eventually, blogging will fade out. If this tool becomes really successful, blogging will fade out and web stories will become the new trend. So if you're wanting to get more traffic, if you want to be favored by Google more frequently, then my suggestion to you is to download the plugin, start learning about the plugin, and start implementing it onto your website. By implementing this tool onto your website, it will increase your chance on getting seen by more people through Google. It's a free tool to download. Go and check it out. If you found this video helpful, be sure to comment down below, like, rate, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another video.